Welcome to the Energy Conversion System 1. This course will be delivered by Professor Harinaldi, Professor Warjito, Dr. Ahmad Indra, and Dr. Ridho Irwansyah. This is the outline of the course. Title of the course is, as already mentioned, is Energy Conversion System 1. Course code is ENME 605021. This course has 4 credits units, means that we will have 2 meetings every week. And technically, this course is being offered at the 5th semester. Before taking this course, you have to already taken the Thermodynamics and Fluid Mechanics course. This course will be organized by a team of lecturers consisting of Professor Harinaldi, Professor Warjito, Dr. Ahmad Indra, and Dr. Ridho Irwansyah. This course is an applied thermofluid course that studies the applications of fluid and flow behavior in fluid machineries and in the pneumatic and hydraulic system. Upon completing this course, you will be able to understand the characteristics of the fluid machineries, hydraulics, and pneumatics applications. Moreover, the students are also expected to have the ability to design and analyze a simple energy conversion system. This course has 5 course learning outcomes or CLOs, or in bahasa we call it capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah, or in short CPMK. The first CLO is you are able to apply the basic principles of fluid dynamics in fluid machinery. So the first CLO weighs 10% of your final mark. The second CLO is students are able to analyze and calculate problems related to the incompressible fluid machineries. The second CLO weighs 30% of your final mark. Students are able to analyze and calculate problems related to the compressible fluid machinery. This is the third CLO, and it also weighs 30% of your final mark. The fourth CLO is students are able to analyze and calculate problems related to the pneumatic and hydraulic systems. The fourth CLO weighs 10% of your final mark. The last CLO, students are able to apply and analyze the applications of fluid machineries in buildings and or power generation systems. The fifth CLO or the final CLO weighs 20% of your final marks. All of these CLO will be assessed through assignment, quiz, and midterm and final exam. As for the fifth CLO, we will have a small design assignment to assess the fifth CLO itself. This course consists of several topics. In the first 2 meetings, we will be talking about the energy outlook, what kind of energy are available out there that can be used, and then we will talk about the renewable and non-renewable energy sources and the systems that are applying them. And then we begin to talk about the introductions to fluid machineries, where we will be introduced to the type of fluid machineries that are available, fluid power systems, and so on. And then we will also be talking about in a meeting about energy transfer between fluids and rotors. So this is how energy being transferred or converted, and then we get, for example, electric power or electricity. After that, we will begin examining a detail of a fluid machinery, started with a centrifugal pump, and then we will also be talking about axial pump. After 2 meetings of pumps, we will be talking about a system of pipeline or piping systems, and then we will also learn about the impulse turbine and reaction turbine. These 2 types of turbine are actually a hydro turbine or a water turbine. All these 9 topics will cover this course up to the midterm semester. And then we will have a midterm exam, and we will resume the course with the incompressible sections of the fluid machinery. So these are the compressible sections of fluid machinery, means the fluids will not change their properties or density through the flow. And these where we will be talking about the incompressible effect or incompressible fluid machineries. It will be consist of axial steam turbine, axial fans and compressors, centrifugal fan and compressors, axial gas turbines, radial gas turbines, hydraulic and pneumatic systems, and then at the end we will have the applications of thermal conversion systems in buildings and power generations. This course has several references that you can look up to help you or to have reading materials throughout the semesters. There are at least 6 references that you can have a look. The first one is written in Bahasa. The author is one of our own, Prof. Harinaldi and Prof. Budiarso. The book's called System Fluida, that was published by Erlangga. It should be available in any bookstores nationwide in Indonesia, so you can have a look. The other books is Hydraulics and Compressible Fluid Flow Turbo Machines. It is from A.T. Sayers, so it's published by McGraw-Hill. So you can have a look. Also, I think our library has these collections also online. And the third book will be the Fluid Mechanics and Machinery. This is from Kotanda Raman, and it is published by New Age International Limited Publishers. The fourth reference will be Fluid Power Fluid Applications from Antonio Esposito. It is from Prentice Hall. And the fifth reference will be Fluid Power Dynamics from R.K. Mobley, and it is from Nunes Butterwood Henneman as the publisher. And the last book will be Energy Conversion from Craig and Goswami. It is from CNC Press, and you can use either one of these books. So apart from Mobley, the Fluid Power Dynamics will be only used when we talk about hydraulics and pneumatic systems. So either one, apart from Mobley and Craig, you can choose any of these first 4 books to accompany you throughout the course.